Here we go, guys. Taking a quick look at Meta. As everybody probably already knows in the world, had great blowout earnings. Believe they're going to do a dividend, so on and so forth. A lot of good news. It's up over 20% on the day. This is where we closed yesterday. Earnings came out, so on and so forth. And what we're looking at potentially 70% of the time when an asset makes a new near-term high, like we're seeing right now, it'll roll back over, and 70% of the time it fails. And let me go ahead and take that short here. We're looking for a specific location. And I would never, never ever, there we go, never ever trade Meta. This bid and the ask, the difference between the bid and the ask over here, very seldom do you get, well, there you go. Just I said that 7%, 7-cent spread. Normally it's a double digit, number spread here, and which is absolutely ridiculous because as soon as you go either long or short, you're already down. Uh, Quite a bit of money. So I like to see these assets, that have a one or two. Most I would trade consistently be maybe a 2 cent spread between the bid and the ask. You can see it over there. But anyway, just wanted to, do this. Also, be honest with you, we're on leverage as well. So that's why I got to be real uh, nimble here and quick in and out. So, not for the faint of heart for sure. But like I said, I just wanted to show our methodology. We, kind of sort of know what we're doing over here. And was going to show you that one, uh, setup. After you get this pullback, then you make that next high. You normally pull back, which is what we're doing now. We'd actually be up a lot more than that if we didn't have such a huge spread between the bid and the ask. So we're going to stay in this thing a minute and see what we can do. I'm looking for, oh, wait, I can't find it. Just so it's documented, we went short on this candle here. Well, if you don't have a timestamp, it doesn't count. So anyway, you got about 7 seconds to go on this candle. We want to flush to the downside. If we don't get that, we will go ahead and scale out, which I got my finger on the trigger beyond. Okay, let's see here. Okay, that's not bad. We're gonna go ahead and take it because, oh man, yeah, well, we got out 200 bucks, but it would have been a lot more than that had we uh, not been penalized over here, the spread between the bid and the ask. Which, hey, that's the name of the game. But just wanted to show that setup, that theory about, short-term new highs. 70% of the time, they fade to the downside, and you can pick up a quick, even, on something like Meta, that's up over 20% on the day, so on and so forth. Now, if we run through, this is another concept. If we run through this high pivot here where that gold dash line is, if we run through it, I'll pick up another one. I'll pick up another short. Maybe we'll do better than 200 bucks, but it's a little embarrassing. But anyway, uh, let me see if we'll pull down. We still have about 40 seconds. Tell you what, why don't I put you on pause? That way you're not watching grass grow here. And then when the action picks up, we'll pick it up because it's not really, we're just in the consolidation zone right now. And maybe that's the top of the market near term. Maybe we get a little pullback here and test support, possibly this lower pivot range. But we will see. And we're not afraid of going long or short. If we close up above this zone, let me take that off. In fact, I'll pop another line up there. If we close, make that blue so you can kind of see the difference. Okay, what we're going to do, go long if we break the blue dash line goes short. If we break the go dash line, still have another almost just shy of 2 minutes here. So we'll see if we're setting up the blow up or setting up the fall. This is real frustrating, this sideways consolidation zone for a lot of traders. Um, let's see here. See that? There we go. That bid and ask is so far apart. And let me see if we get a little push up here. Okay, I'm gonna go and get out a little over 700. And see if we can't see if it continues up. See what I'm afraid. I want to make sure this is not a head fake to the upside and they roll it over. So we got in on the momentum to the upside. 480 might be the limit. Let me try it. Okay, here it is, 480. Let me make that red. Those market lets those whole round even numbers. And we'll see if it bumps its head up here and then rolls back over. That's another way of, see is again to pull back a little bit. But anyway, we're going on 6 minutes here, and people like them short and sweet, so we might go ahead and just, we got out of this thing. We able to show the short side, then we're able to play it to the upside within, well, really, what, 2, 4, 6, about 6 minutes. We're able to pull out a few nickels, to the downside and upside. And looks like that was a head fake, yeah. And they might be bringing it in, then it'll roll over here. Now we're starting a new candle. Now this one didn't close red, okay? Did have a topping tail here. You can see sell off, sell off, sell offs. Basically, it's a spinning top indecision candle, so it can go either way. So not really 100%. Well, nothing is 100%, but you want a little bit better odds than what we have right now, whether it's going to go to the upside or downside. It appears to be until it confirms with a candle close under that go dash line, something like this, uh, that it might be topped out or needs to take a rest here and possibly roll over. That's a good little pivot. I'm going to go ahead and do it real quick. See, that's ridiculous. Go short, you're already down, whatever it was, 300, $400, whatever, because of that spread. But, we're pretty confident we're going to keep rolling to the downside. Is the reason why I did that. And let's see, I might just, let's see if we break it. Let me see here. I might take it. 570. Oh man, see how quick. Okay, if we get green again, I'm just going to go ahead and take it because this might be acting as support right now. Even though it's a potential pivot from this candle here, then the red. Still got about 17, 16 seconds to go. Let's see if we can break that go dash line. See how it's holding it so firm. And then even when you get out, you just have this bid and ask over here. Ooh, 5 out, 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 out. Okay. All right, guys. You seen it live. Okay. All right. If you want to learn how to do this yourself, over less than 10 minutes, pulling a few nickels out of the market, come visit us over on X, Twitter, or give us a follow there, and check out our Patreon members group where we break all this down every day and show people um, how to play this game and get one over on the institutions. But okay, in the meantime, thanks again, and we will see you on the charts.